as a journey has been exhilarating, it has been blissful, and it has been terrifying also. All three at the same time. I'll start with terrifying first, because what happens in med school, we are taught how to treat patients, how to talk to the families, and how to communicate with the patient and look after the ailments. But we are never taught how to run a hospital. Yes, we did have helping hands. It has been a steep learning curve, but I am very happy that we did this. Blissful, why? Because more than a team, Pioneer now is a family. So we've treated thousands of people, we've looked after so many people together. Pioneer is home, so it's like coming to home, and so it's no longer a job now.
We started with the intention of cooperative to corporate, where all the doctors should come together and give these services, high-end services, where a highly skilled doctor, just because of unavailability of infrastructure or funding, was not able to put such structure, can become a part of it through shareholding. Our concept, which got good response within just few days, and many of the doctors joined us, and as our team expanded within just 1 year, we started up with a multi-specialty setup as well as a cardiac unit.
तो जो प्रवास होता, त्या प्रवासामध्ये सर्वात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट आम्ही सुरू करताना आम्ही ठरवलं होतं की पेशंट्स केअर, नंतर इथिकल प्रॅक्टिस आणि स्पेशलिस्ट काम आम्ही करणार होतो. तर त्या दृष्टीने आम्हाला त्याचा रिस्पॉन्स पण खूप चांगला मिळाला.
So this journey is really beautiful, and it was satisfying, and fortunately we could achieve what we wanted to do. The main motto was to offer the services which are given in a corporate hospital at a lesser cost. So yeah, we could fortunately able to control the cost of the procedures like the angiographies, angioplasties and bypass surgery. So we are doing at a lesser rates, and we are trying to provide the same facilities which are available at other hospitals. Fortunately, our hospital is tied up with now more than 30 cashless insurance companies, and we have achieved the primary NABH level certification to the hospital. So these two are a great achievement over this period. So our patient services are increasing because of this. So yes, we tend to differ from the other hospitals in terms of offering quality good services at reasonable rates.
As a doctor consultant and a hospital owner itself, there are numerous advantages. I can take the call to do the emergency procedures even at early morning 3 o'clock, and we have all the best infrastructure available with us, the best available cath lab in the city we got, which is in this same cath lab we did the 950 grammer baby's heart procedure, which was successful, and today that baby is grown to the 2.5 years old, and he is absolutely symptom free and he is disease free. We have the success rate of more than 99%, which is almost equivalent to the international standards, or even I can say it is better than the international standards also.
The experience has been great, especially when you have joined from the inception. We had lot much apprehension, but now at present the infrastructure has been settled, machineries have been settled, manpower is all well equipped, they are well trained, and yes, we are doing cardiac surgeries and cardiac patients day in day out without any hassle. We have already formed a trust, and soon we'll be waiting for CSR to come that will help to promote our novel work to really needy poor people, so that we can serve them totally free of cost.
Pioneer was the first private hospital to take that big step to admit a COVID patient. I had to look after so many patients. They were coming in like a mass casualty, and not only me but whole world was not prepared for this. So obviously this COVID situation had taught many things, and we have corrected ourselves. So maybe in the future we'll be prepared for these kind of situations.
तर कोविड अँड नॉन कोविड सेक्शन आम्ही इतकं व्यवस्थितली बॅलन्स केलं की जेणेकरून नॉन कोविड सेक्शनला कोविडचा मेजर काहीही इश्यू इम्पॅक्ट झाला नाही, पेशंट हॅम्पर झाले नाही किंवा कन्सल्टंट कोणी हॅम्पर झाले नाही कोविड सेक्शनमुळे. तर आणि ह्याच काही गोष्टींमुळे की पायोनियरचं परिसरामध्ये खूप चांगल्या प्रकारे नाव झालं.
The further vision is now we want to give value addition to not only the patients but also the doctors. We are upgrading our own system and we are thinking of starting our own pediatric cardiac surgery units. Then we are thinking of transplant units, and thus we are progressing ourselves so that we can give treatment to each and everyone, so that there should be no one who is denied of treatment either due to any of the cause.